Boom. Yeah, dude, that looks badass. Oh my god. Oh my.
Dancing on the
You have to be your biggest fan. And when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that. Because you don't know who you're going to be, who you're going to be, who you're going to be.
That looks so sick. Just need some low. Oh, it's turning out, man. Just don't look at the back. I showed it off. Alright, we got a few packages that the delivery man's picking up right now.
So you're like me, you really like your cars, eh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
totally.
I used to go for the vintage stuff, the old stuff.
I know about the Hot Wheels looking.
Yeah, I see that one, the one on the street there is like way over the top.
Yeah, totally.
Is that yours?
Yeah. It's an ongoing project.
Yeah, it's pretty cool actually.
See now, this
You need some boxes back or what?
I'ma go for the loot, man. I'm a
How do you like your Supra?
Oh, it's too fun to drive, but also too easy to go fast in that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Get some tickets too at that, eh?
Not yet,
Good
but
for
also,
you.
yeah. Actually, I'm done getting tickets. You can just look up Kings Must Rise.
Well, that's the address on the...
Yeah, exactly. And on the boxes, you'll even see our logo and stuff. But
Yeah?
that explains the cars.
Is this like a full-time thing for you and everything?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, for the most part.
This goes to...
Yeah.
Is it normally like this on a Monday for you? Amount of online shopping going on the past year or so?
Oh, yeah,
You know how
especially
that
when
goes, right?
everybody's at home.
Yeah, all these ones. So Randy, like, I see guys giving pretty good advice on YouTube sometimes.
Yeah.
Then I see a lot of guys who just copy and paste what the other guy did before, and it's bad advice. It's like, really, they're just copying bad advice. Like, why would they suggest that? So, and they always make it look easier on TV, right? When you got an old '60s car, and it's like, yeah, you remove all the rust in the car just in 3 easy steps.
Well,
in the real world
man.
is
how I look at it now is like not everything is supposed to go that smoothly.
right.
So if you want to be relatable, keep everything in it, even like the mistakes, you breaking
Oh,
a
yeah,
bolt.
okay.
Totally.
Okay.
Because then people are like, oh, he's just like me,
Yeah.
right? Like he doesn't have all the resources
Right.
around him. He's still doing it in his parents'
Right.
garage.
I respect that.
Yeah, and you'll see that growth in me too.
Yeah.
Like I started with in my parents' garage with like stock FRS.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then from there, kind of just snowballed into this huge interest. Like I still have like a little knowledge in the car industry.
Yep.
But learning a lot in the engine.
More about like performance parts and stuff, like add-ons. And
I'm starting
bolt-ons
to.
and
Yeah,
stuff.
exactly.
As opposed to general repairs, right?
Exactly.
'cause your
Yeah.
cars are new ones. I haven't seen that many on the road. You're right. They're like 75 grand or something, but but they're really nice. Well, good for you. Nice to meet you,
Oh,
Andy.
Will,
Pleasure.
Cheers, thanks for the talk, man.
We'll be in touch,
Yeah.
and I'll watch you.
Absolutely, man. Yeah, definitely.
I'll probably buy something. Nice to meet you, Randy.
yeah, of
Pleasure
course.
talking. Okay, I'll let you take care of that.
Yeah, super cool, dude. Go home, my dude, my dude. Thank you for waiting. Okay. Okay.
never feel
Hey, don't. Hey,
not at all.
keep that here. Keep that here. Hey. What? I'll catch you. Give me my shoe, please. You wanna play? This is my hands, huh? What the heck? Hey. I love it when these guys let us keep the boxes. I guess I can always just ask for it. So while our friend Will was picking up packages, we got some car parts in. It's a trim cover for the engine bay of the Celica. And then package from Specdy Tuning. Genesis headlights. Just kidding, they're not for the Genesis. It's also for the Celica. But I bought these for like 130 bucks off eBay, and they came in 3 days. Johan! What's up, homie? Hey! I sound like a horse. All right, I'm gonna fit these in the FRS, and then we'll see you guys at the garage. I'm telling you, scissor doors are insanely super efficient. If I never did that throughout all these years of us doing shows and events, honestly, I would have been struggling. This kid, he puts his hand on the sill. I'm dropping him off at my rents so that he doesn't distract me at work. Hopefully they allow this troublemaker. Welcome back to day 2.5 of wrapping the CELICA. Everything's completely wrapped other than the rear bumper, which is what we're gonna be finishing up today. But I wanted to see how this trim piece fit first. Like that. This is one of those rare, hard to find pieces that are usually missing when you buy used CELICA. So if any of you owners still have this remaining piece in your engine bay, you're a lucky one. I'm gonna just quickly wipe this down. Might as well just clean up the engine bay while we're at it.
My soul bad, I'm done with the cold stare. My heart hang off the tip of my shoestring. Stay untied, that's usual. I'm not put together. Do better than you do, that's magic. I'm voodoo.
Hold up. As I was cleaning this thing, Eddie's like, wait a minute, that looks familiar. Runs over to the other side and brings over this piece. I had no idea. Maybe it was out of the GTS and then I forgot about it. Maybe. So I spent 100 bucks for this, but now we have a spare. Okay, well, I'm gonna use the cleanest one. Actually, they're both fairly clean. That looks 100 times better. That's just missing the little one that goes over here. And I'm gonna toss these back on the headlights.
I never felt the way I do about anyone but you.
All right, that took way too long. So roughly about 2 hours later, I was able to put the inlays in for the middle section of my rear bumper. We're doing this diffuser part in carbon. I mean, it's kind of hard to tell, but just finished, yeah.
Oh, yo, that was the top.
Yep.
It looks good.
Thanks.
Sick job.
Now facing a new problem. As you can see, that rubber stuff or whatever paint they used for the rear bumper, it's coming off with the wrap, so we have to be super careful, or we're just gonna go through the effort and take whatever this is off. Because look at that, the vinyl wrap picks it up. We're just gonna duct tape the entire thing. The idea is everything will come off with the duct tape. Slick. Silver chrome, or satin, I guess. Bruh.
It doesn't seem like it's doing much. Yeah.
Look at that. Oh,
Oh my god.
that's actually so bad.
Some better days.
Damn. Yeah, what the heck, man? It was nice blue underneath. Here's a better idea. Let's use acetone. Test. Look at that. It's already rubbing off. Wow, crazy. Yeah, this stuff you gotta be really careful with though.
One eternity later.
So I got off as much of that black gunk as I could. On this side, you can see we got it down to almost bare plastic in some areas, but now that all of the inlays are set, this is the last stretch, literally. So let's just finish this up.
We drove to New Jersey. Your eyes seemed a bit worried. You said it was nothing, but I know you get worried. The sorrow of us, the sorrow of us. How did we
Boom. Yeah, dude, that looks badass. Oh my god. Oh my. Yo, that looks. Thanks, son. Good job, man. Oh, all complete. For now, we even installed a banner, but it's a little bit dirty because earlier Cooper was sanding over here. Wasn't even courteous enough to think about us. But anyways, we'll quickly wash it down and then probably bring it into the other bay where we have more beautiful setup of lights. And yeah, I'll show you guys the end product. Guys, one step closer to building the perfect daily, because this is definitely going to be staying in the Kmart artillery. Oh, yo! Hello. Hi, oh my gosh.
I felt so bad for him, I had to bring him.
Yeah, good job. This kid was sleeping for the past few hours, man.
He was saying that he was like sitting there sulking, yo, the kid.
Aw, with this lighting, oh, it's perfect. It's just missing a drop now, so really waiting on coilovers. Oh, and the Lambo doors, of course. You know me, guys. Okay, we gotta go super extravagant out there, especially for fairly common car. I mean, all the haters out there saying that this is a chick's car and girls drive this thing. You're not wrong. I don't know, guys. I'm falling more in love with the Celica the more we work on it. And there's a little part of me that's, actually, there's a big part of me that's really happy. We've decided to keep this thing. Okay. Okay. This is staying in the circle.
Hell yeah, man.
Wanna buy a Celica? There is an insane amount of wrap detail that went into this thing that we didn't really show you guys. Like this diffuser part took me forever, several inlays, but it was done in carbon fiber. And we tried to kind of separate it, so I still did these parts in green, or the inner layers. Ooh, I forgot to wipe down there. That's carbon fiber. The top middle part of the spoiler, the deck lid, is carbon as well. Now I'm looking at it, I might actually change this part back to black. That way the entire top half is just completely black and probably look more sleek too. Tints look good, and I think the darkness is perfect for the setup. We got all the trim pieces on, including the visors, these headlight eyelid things that make it look like superhero or something, and of course repping those fake CR lies. You know what, I was thinking of opting for the S2K short antenna, which is like actually a really cool mod that you can do with this Celica, but this is so like RC toy car that I kind of want to keep it. This is gonna stay in the cartillery, the KMR cartillery, for a good while. And now it matches the XB perfectly. Next is the E36, so you guys are just gonna have to stay tuned. But for now, that's it. Yeah, I'm just gonna end this video. Appreciate you guys for watching, as always. If you wanna get updated on when new videos drop on this channel, hit that sub button with notification button ticked. Drop a like, leave some good vibes in the comments, and we'll catch you guys on the next vlog. Thanks for watching, ciao. Can't find the keys for this Altezza, so we'll just wash it down in here. Too bad, Sonny.